James 4 verse 10. Humble yourselves in the sight of the Lord, and he will lift you up. We all want to be exalted or praised, but we have to know that even God came to earth and became a servant. God is calling us to humble ourselves and remove pride in our lives. Humble yourselves in the mighty hands of God, that he may exalt you. Hi guys, and welcome once again to my channel. My name is Stella. Today I will show you some easy home decor ideas you can create in a few minutes. Probably just like 5 minutes. It's simple and easy, so without further ado, let's begin. The first thing we're going to create is a perfume stand or perfume holder. I went to Amazon and HomeSense to find one, but the price was way high and I wasn't willing to pay, so I told myself, I can do this for a lower cost. Y'all can find the materials at the dollar store or Micheals store. I'm going to take these diamonds and place them around the mirror. To hold them in place, I will use hot glue. And voila, we're done. It only took me a few minutes to do this. Now I'm gonna place all my perfumes on the stand or the perfume holder. I also use a square mirror to create the perfume holder. So which perfume holder do y'all like best? The square shape or the circle shape? Please leave it in the comments below. The next DIY is a fake pot plant. I incorporated a wood container and added some rocks in that container. It's an easy thing to do. It took me less than 5 minutes as well. Et voila, it's a simple decor. You can place it in the bathroom. I actually did 2 and placed them in the bathroom. Finally, the last DIY we're going to do is a word wall. I found those letters at Micheals for $6.99 each. If you still haven't watched my Extreme Steady Closet Beauty Room, I show how to place the letters on the wall. I'm adding leftover flowers that I used in my previous project to the letters and to hold them in place. I'm adding hot glue. And here's the final result. What do you guys think? Leave a comment and let me know which one you would love to create or which one you like best. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.